Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear student. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome in your ORC class. So, dear student, open page number 45. Dear student, our today's topic is very interesting. So, tell me, have you seen the sky? Whenever we see at the sky, what did you see it? We saw there sun, moon, stars, clouds. Sometimes we see birds, airplane, kites. Okay, dear student, tell me one more thing. When you see clouds, what you see there? What you see there? Now tell me, whenever we see clouds, it gives us some impressions. Sometimes it's look like trees, birds, animals. So now, dear student, what is this? This is the sheep. So, dear student, sometimes clouds look like sheep. So, in this story, we will learn about clouds which look like sheep. So, dear student, our today's top poem name is Clouds. Clouds. Pronounce it clouds. Clouds. Okay? So, dear kids, before we start our story, we are going to learn some difficult words with its meaning. So, our first word is clouds. Clouds. Badal. Cloud means badal. White. White. White means safed. Sheep. Sheep. Bhed. Sheep means bhed. Hill. Hill. Pahadi. Our next words are stop. Stop. रुक जाना. Stop. रुक जाना. Blows. Blows. चलना. जैसे हवा चल रही है. Wind blows. Away. दूर. Away. दूर. Slow. आहिस्ता. Slow. आहिस्ता. Dear kids, our other words are here. Blue. Blue. नीला. Wind. हवा. Wind. हवा. Where. Where. कहाँ. Go. जाना. So, dear kids, come back your poem, which is clouds. Okay. Dear kids, यहाँ क्रिस्टीना रोजेटी क्या इमेज कर रहा है वो हमें इस पोएम में बता रहा है. क्या बता रहा है? Let's learn. White sheep on a blue hill. White sheep on a blue hill. पोइट यहाँ क्लाउड्स को शीप कह के बुला रहा है. This is the hill. These are clouds. इन बादलों को पोइट्स शीप कह के बुला रहा है. On a blue hill. On a blue hill. Okay. When the wind stop. जब हवा रुकती है, रुक जाती है. You all stand still. तो बादल भी क्या करते हैं? रुक जाते हैं. जैसे ही हवा रुक जाती है, बादल भी एक ही जगह रुक जाते हैं. When the wind blows. When the wind blows. जैसे ही हवा चलती है, जैसे ही हवा चलना स्टार्ट होती है, you walk away slow. तो क्या होता है? ये जो पोइट को बादल शीप की तरह दिख रहे हैं, ये भी आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आगे बढ़ रही हैं। वाइट शीप वेयर डू यू गो? पोइट इनसे पूछ रहे हैं बादलों से, वेयर डू यू गो? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? ओके डियर किड्स, so dear kids, let's sing this poem. White sheep on a blue hill. White sheep on a blue hill. When the wind stops, you all stand still. When the wind blows, you walk away slow. White sheep, where do you go? Dear kids, did you like this poem? Hope you like. I hope you like this poem, student. You sing this poem, learn this poem, and make a video and send it to me. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.